Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will understand the process of getting bank statements right from TallyPrime. TallyPrime Release 6.0 introduces a facility to get bank statements without having to import them manually. You can easily get the bank statements right from TallyPrime using the connected banking services. You can then use the bank statement to reconcile transactions in books. Additionally, you can create book transactions using the bank statements to keep your accounts up to date. You can also clear the external data or remove bank statements if needed. Let's first see how to get bank statements in TallyPrime. Press Alt-Z, all banking options, and select Get Statement. If you have not logged into Connected Banking already, then you will need to log in. In the Get Statement report, you can see the details such as account number and bank name. You can also see the status as connected. Select the bank ledger and press Alt-S to set the period for which you require the bank statement. Enter the from and due dates. Press S to request the bank statement. Once the request is initiated, you can view the status of the request. You can see that the status of the request is ready to import. Select the statement that is ready to import and press S. Once you import the statement, you get a summary of the imported entries. Now, press S to view the bank reconciliation summary. Drill down from the Unreconciled section. You can see the bank transactions that are marked in blue text. These are the exact matches that you can immediately reconcile. There might be transactions that are available only in banks for which you can create vouchers. If there are any reconciled transactions in the period, then you can view them. Press Ctrl 8, select View Reconciled and press Enter. Drill down from the relevant period. You can view the reconciled transactions. As you saw, you can easily make bank statements a part of your company data, which helps you reconcile your book transactions. Moreover, you can always refer to the imported bank data report to view all the imported statements till date. You can watch our video, How to View Imported Bank Data in TallyPrime. You might realize that you have imported the statement for a wrong period and therefore you want to delete the statement request. In such cases, you can easily delete the statement request irrespective of the status. Select the request and press Alt-R to delete it. The request gets deleted. Now, let's see how to reset the bank statement data. You might have imported the statement for a wrong period. In a different scenario, you might have already reconciled your transactions. So, you do not want to keep the imported bank statements in your company data anymore. In such cases, you can reset the external data. Press F1 and select Troubleshooting. Select Reset Bank Statement Data and press Enter. Select the bank ledger. Now, you might want to retain the reconciliation status of the reconciled transactions. Set Retain Reconciliation Status to Yes. If there are any partially reconciled transactions, then the status of such transactions will become unreconciled. However, if you had imported the statement for a wrong period, then you can choose not to retain the reconciliation status of the reconciled transactions. Enter the from and to dates based on the period for which you want to reset the bank statement data. Before resetting, we recommend you to take a backup of your company data. Press Y to confirm. The resetting of the data is successful. As you saw, with Tally Prime, you can get the bank statement and make it a part of your company data in a matter of seconds. Additionally, you can delete the statement request or even reset the bank statement data if needed. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task. You can also WhatsApp us for assistance. Subscribe to Tally Solutions channel for the latest videos.